Are you looking for an app that reads any text you want for you? Speechify is an app that reads your text out loud with tons of computer-generated digital voices. Today, we're going to be sharing our honest review of Speechify and tell you if it's worth your time.
The College Disruptor.
Hey everyone, I'm Alberto from Gradehacker, the #1 non-traditional student resource. We have made other reviews of helpful services in the past, but before we jump into their features, let's first cover the basics. As we already mentioned, Speechify is a desktop and mobile app. Its founder, who has dyslexia, created it as a tool for people who struggle with reading. You can use Speechify with their desktop version, Chrome extension, and the mobile app. In terms of interface, Speechify has a pretty straightforward design. You have the home page where you can add PDFs, text documents, and even upload entire web pages, making the user experience intuitive and easygoing. Something great that you can only do on your phone is scan documents with your camera. While it's better if you have a digital version, it's good to know that you can also add physical books by simply scanning them with your phone. We scanned one text and it was pretty accurate, even though there were a few simple mistakes. So, how do you use Speechify? Once you pick a document, the app will show you the text and start reading it. There's a menu on the bottom where you can pause and skip sentences, change the reading speed, pick the voice sample you'll hear, and select if you want to skip specific text content. Regarding the Chrome extension, it's very intuitive as well. You can go to any page you like an email, newspaper article, or a Google Docs file. Click on the extension button, and a small box on the corner will appear with a reading time, a play and pause button, and additional settings. The first feature that can improve your productivity is its reading speed. In all their versions, you can increase it up to 900 words per minute. That's 4.5 times the faster. Well, the truth is that this is a useless feature. Why? Because you can't understand anything the voice is reading at this speed. But not everything is as bad as it seems, because we found that this productivity boost can be achieved with a speed rate between 200 and 400 words per minute. Which rate is best depends entirely on your skills and what you're looking for. If you're at home and would like to listen to your course material while reading it too, a faster speed rate will be a good choice. On the contrary, if you're commuting and don't have the possibility of using your phone while you listen, you might want to pick a slower speed. This way, you can hear the content more carefully and understand it better without having a visual reinforcement. Another feature that makes them stand out from the rest is the quality and variety of their voice samples. Some voices are not entirely done yet, but you can still use them. What's crazy is that among these unfinished samples, you'll find voices such as the ones from actress Gwyneth Paltrow and Mr. President, who sounds just like Barack Obama. You heard right. Gwyneth Paltrow and Barack Obama can read your text for you. Another pro of Speechify is that you have voices in many other languages. The bad news is that these premium voices are limited. Premium users can listen up to 150,000 words per month. Speechify says this is because their products are in an early stage and are expensive and resource intensive. What happens if you reach the limit? You'll have to use the robot voices that sound similar to Google Translator. Before we continue, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to learn more about more tools you can use in your college journey. Finally, let's see how you can change your text and how Speechify reads it. If you're using the mobile version, you can edit your text directly from the app. You can add new content or delete useless paragraphs, which is very helpful if you want to have a file with only the necessary information. Unfortunately, this useful feature is not available on the desktop version. You can only edit your document by having the Chrome extension and pasting all the text onto a Google Doc. But something vital that the desktop version has and the mobile version doesn't is the possibility to skip specific content of your text. You can make Speechify avoid braces, citations, parentheses, brackets, and URLs. If you want to listen to an academic paper from your phone, You'll have to endure the in-text citations interrupting the reading, even if you're a premium user. How much does Speechify cost? As common among paid apps, their free option gives you limited use of Speechify. You have access to robot voices only, a maximum speed of 400 words per minute, and you can choose to skip brackets, citations, parentheses, and URLs. There's a 3-day free trial that gives you access to premium features, but we must warn you that we have read many negative user reviews who have had a bad experience with it. Some people claim that Speechify charged the 1-year subscription when they started the trial and didn't receive a refund or a proper customer service response. Now we must say that in our case, we used the 3-day free trial and canceled it without any problem. Now, how about their premium paid version? This lets you access all the features we have already discussed and has an annual subscription cost of $139. While this would be $11.58 per month, they currently don't have a monthly subscription, meaning the complete fee would be charged in one payment once a year. Better not, bro. Just a little simple Google search.
Okay,
it's like
scripts,
Speechify app coupon, Speechify app promo code, Speechify app this, that. In our opinion, Speechify is an excellent app for those who wish to improve their productivity. Their free plan will be enough for most students, as it lets you increase the speed up to 250 words per minute, which isn't the maximum, but it's a decent speed rate to understand the text. The biggest drawback is that you can't skip content, making the reading pause too often because of the in-text citations in academic papers. Their premium version indeed has a lot of voice samples that sound very real, but in the end, the likeliness of a natural voice does not change the understanding of the text. And while their premium tools have the features that make the difference, we believe that their annual price is a bit too much. We believe that Speechify is a growing app that isn't yet fully developed and still has room for improvement. That's it for today. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any of the best tips for college students. With a bit of luck, now you know whether this app will improve your college experience or not. Write in the comments below which app or service you want us to do a review next on. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you next time. And if you want to see other reviews on helpful websites and services, check out our video reviews on Chegg and Course Hero. Who knows, maybe you'll find a college tool that'll change your experience.